Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest update on Typhoon INDAY. This is now the final one since it's already outside of the Philippine area of responsibility. It went out of par around 11 p.m. last night, and it's now moving away from the Yayama Island chain towards the eastern coastline of eastern China. So this is our English version for today, Tuesday, September 13. Let's take a look now at our latest graph set. We have 3 tropical cyclones right now roaming around across the western Pacific. The first one over to the left, that's Typhoon INDAY with international name Muifa. It passed over Ishigaki Island, or it passed over Ishigaki along the Yayama Islands around noontime yesterday, and it's now outside of par, moving slowly towards the East China Sea in the general direction of Shanghai area. And the system continues to become smaller, and its winds is still a decent category 2 typhoon with winds of 160 kph, moving north at 7 kph. The Philippines is devoid of any monsoonal flow, but we have already a slight or a weak habagat or light winds from the west and southwest affecting Central Luzon, Calabarzon, Metro Manila, Bicol region, Mimaropa, Panay, and Samar provinces. While here we have strong breeze to near gale force winds across Batanes and Babuing Cove Islands, moderate to strong westerly winds influenced by Typhoon Muifa or Inday. And we have here another cyclone which is newly developed, likely to become 16W. Still outside of par, but it's quasi-stationary, and it is likely that this system will also move in the general direction of Japan. So our country is still safe from all of this back-to-back development. To the rightmost, that's Tropical Storm Merbok, which is now moving slowly towards the northeast. Nothing to worry about. All of these systems are a non-threat to the Philippine Islands. And here's the graph set that we issued. You can see here that the westerlies and southwesterlies are beginning to pick up, although still good weather with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Here's Muifa moving northwest slowly. And here's the other one, 92W, becoming a tropical depression. Is quasi-stationary. But in the next few days, it will track more to the west-northwest in the general direction of western Japan. And here's the tracking, the final track that we issued around 5 p.m. So at this time, it's already here, okay, outside of par, so nothing to worry about. And here comes the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. This is the night vision infrared, since it's already midnight, past midnight I mean. And here comes the storm, 2 storms actually, and the other one is here. So these 3 will slightly enhance the southwest monsoon across the Philippine Islands. Now let's take a look at the tracking of all Asian agencies. All agree that it may pass, that it is expected to pass very close to Shanghai within the next 48 hours. Global models showing Muifa and Merbok. And another one, okay, this is not yet named, but it will be named anytime soon, and it's likely to threaten Japan. Rainfall accumulation, most of the rainfall will be expected across the western seaboards of Mimaropa, and also some portions of western Bicol, northern parts of Mindanao. So far, that's the latest on the rainfall accumulation forecast. It looks like the southwest monsoon is still weak, but it may dump rainfall across the western sections of the country. But compared to others, this is nothing, okay? It's only light rain, but still good weather. Okay, so That's it. That's the latest for this Tuesday morning. And we will return tomorrow, Wednesday, to give you the usual weather conditions, to give you the very latest on these tropical cyclones. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. Thank you so much for watching our channel.